Welcome to My 9 to Free. In this guide, we'll take you through the steps to start a faceless YouTube channel and grow it to the point of monetization. Whether you want to escape the 9-to-5 grind or create an additional income stream, this step-by-step walkthrough will get you started on your journey to financial freedom. Step 1. Find your niche. Let's start with picking a niche. You wouldn't want to sell ice to an Eskimo, right? Find something you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will keep you motivated and authentic. Passion and knowledge. As the great Confucius said, choose a job you love and you will never have to work a day in your life. When you're passionate about your topic, it won't feel like work. Research demand. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube search suggestions, and keyword planners to see if people are actually interested in your topic. No point in being the world's greatest mime if no one can see you. Competitor analysis. Check out successful channels in your niche. See what works, what doesn't, and identify gaps you can fill. Think of it like being the Sherlock Holmes of YouTube. Technology reviews. Everyone loves shiny new gadgets. Educational content, because learning never goes out of style. Animated storytelling. Bring out your inner Pixar. Productivity tips. Help others procrastinate productively. ASMR and meditation. Soothe the stressed souls. Step 2. Plan your content. Planning is crucial. As Benjamin Franklin once said, by failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. Video ideas. Brainstorm a list of video ideas. Aim for at least 20 solid concepts to get started. Your future self will thank you. Upload. Schedule. Consistency is key. Decide on a realistic upload schedule. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, stick to it. Think of it like watering a plant. You can't just dump a bucket of water once a month and hope it grows. Scripting. Write detailed scripts for your videos. This ensures clarity and helps maintain a professional tone. Remember, even the best improv comedians have a script. Thumbnail and title strategy. Thumbnails. Create eye-catching thumbnails using free tools like Canva or paid software like Photoshop. Keep them simple, vibrant, and relevant to your content. It's the visual equivalent of a book cover. Make it intriguing. Titles. Craft compelling and keyword-rich titles. Avoid clickbait, but ensure they are engaging and informative. No one likes feeling tricked into watching a video. Step 3. Create high-quality videos. Investing in the right equipment is like putting good tires on your car. It makes the ride much smoother. Recording. Use a good quality microphone for clear audio. A basic USB microphone can make a big difference. After all, nobody wants to listen to you sound like you're underwater. Editing software. Use free software like DaVinci Resolve or paid options like Adobe Premiere Pro. For animations, consider tools like Vyond or Blender. Think of these as your paintbrushes and your videos as the canvas. Visuals. Utilize stock footage, images, and animations to keep your videos visually appealing. Websites like Pixabay and Pexels offer free resources. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, but in video, it's worth 1,000,000 views. Voiceover tips. Clarity and pacing. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace. Practice makes perfect. Imagine you're telling a story to a friend, not reading a grocery list. Emotion and energy. Infuse your voice with energy and appropriate emotion to keep the audience engaged. If you sound bored, your audience will be too. Editing. Edit out any mistakes or long pauses. Add background music or sound effects to enhance the viewing experience. Think of it like seasoning a dish. Just the right amount makes it perfect. Step 4. Optimize for SEO. Think of SEO as the magical compass that guides people to your channel. Primary and secondary. Keywords. Identify primary keywords for your niche and use secondary keywords to support them. Tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ can help. It's like finding the right ingredients for a recipe. The perfect mix brings out the best flavor. Tags and descriptions. Use relevant tags and write detailed descriptions that include your keywords naturally. This is your chance to tell both viewers and YouTube what your video is about. Engagement metrics. Thumbnails and titles. Optimize to increase click-through rates. CTR. A great thumbnail is like a catchy movie poster. It gets people excited to see what's inside. Audience retention. Ensure your content is engaging to keep viewers watching till the end. It's like a roller coaster ride. You want your viewers to enjoy every twist and turn. Step 5. Promote your channel. Social media and community. Think of promotion as spreading the word about the amazing party you're hosting. Cross-promotion. Share your videos on social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Join niche-related groups and communities to share your content. The more places your content is seen, the better. Collaborations. Partner with other YouTubers in your niche for collaborations. This can expose your channel to a broader audience. Think of it as a guest appearance on a hit TV show. Engagement. Respond to comments. Engage with your viewers by responding to their comments. This builds community and loyalty. Plus, who doesn't love a good conversation? Call to actions. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Ask questions to prompt interaction. As they say, ask and you shall receive. Step 6. Monetize your channel. YouTube Partner Program. This is the dream. The pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Eligibility. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months to apply. It's like earning your YouTube diploma. AdSense account. Set up a Google AdSense account to start earning from ads. This is where the magic happens. Additional revenue streams. Affiliate marketing. Promote products related to your niche and earn a commission on sales. It's like being a brand ambassador without leaving your couch. Merchandising. Create and sell merchandise related to your channel. Who wouldn't want a t-shirt with your awesome logo? Sponsorships. Collaborate with brands for sponsored content. It's like getting paid to do what you love. Conclusion. Starting a faceless YouTube channel requires dedication, creativity, and a strategic approach. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to growing a successful channel and achieving financial freedom. Thank you for watching My 9 to Free. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let's escape the 9 to 5 together. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today and happy creating.